Get ready to celebrate Virtual Homecoming Week by printing the downloadable celebration kit, available online at iwu.edu/homecoming. This kit is packed full of ways for you and your family to demonstrate your Titan spirit, including banners, stickers, cupcake toppers, coloring sheets, and more. Be sure to also check out our digital graphics and bring some Titan green to your social media and Zoom meetings. My family and I are looking forward to Virtual Homecoming this year. We're excited to hear from everyone and what's new with them, how they're doing this year, especially this year. Just looking forward to including my kids. I want my children to be able to see how special the college is to our family. We'll miss alumni and friends at our traditional family fun on the quad this year. Instead, be sure to register to join us for the virtual Firefly Family Theater Show, A Tiny Spark. Interactive show will be performed by our alumni and includes original music, puppets, and more. I hope that fellow Wesleyan alums really find some time to come together. Call maybe an alum or a friend that you haven't talked to in a while. Call your sorority sister or your fraternity brother. Send an email to your favorite professor. You know, don't put it off. Don't wait and say, oh, I'll make that call or I'll send that email later. Just take 5 minutes out of your day and make sure that you're connecting with one another. We look forward to celebrating together from your place in the world, because your Titan story starts here and continues no matter where you are.